Create spectacular 3D signage by integrating our sign standoffs into the structure of your design. Using these standoffs will elevate and project any substrate or panel, making it more striking. Not only do these standoffs function as sign holders, but they also add a professional touch to the overall appearance of your signage. They are perfect for any businesses or even your own home. Our standoffs are made from high-grade zinc metal and are offered in polished chrome and matte gray finishes. We offer an array of different sizes so you can select which best fits your design needs. Setup is fairly simple, as our standoffs already have all of the needed components to hang your sign. Pre-drill your mounting surface and screw the backing onto the wall. Next, screw the cylindrical body onto the backing and slide in the first washer. Install your panel and add on the second washer. Lastly, secure your panel in place by replacing the top knob back into the cylinder. Just like that, you have created a professional three-dimensional sign with minimal supplies. You can hang different substrates such as wood, tempered glass, acrylic, aluminum, and much more. Your design possibilities are endless. Get your set of standoffs today.